Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Realme GT Master Edition, and this is a new mid-range phone from Realme which is costing around 67,000 PKR Pakistan market. In this price range, we have a 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. Also, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Realme GT Master Edition. And this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G processor. On the front, we have a 120Hz Super AMOLED display. This phone also has a 65-watt super fast charging, and this phone is also super slim as well as lightweight. Also on the color, I have Voyager grey color. This phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So here is the box of the Realme GT Master Edition. I would say very premium box. Now let's open this box. And on the top we have this. Inside we have safety card as well as a quick start guide. Here is the device, Realme GT Master Edition in the grey color, which has a leather type finish on the back. So here is the Realme GT looks like in the grey color, and the grey color has a leather type finish on the back, and you can see, while the another color is give you a glass back. On the back we have a suitcase design. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get and other than the phone. So the Realme GT Master Edition is booting, and the first thing, we get a cover, and you can see also we get a soft silicone case which is not a transparent, and you can see in the back cover is looks like the back of the Realme GT Master Edition. So also we get a charger, and guys, and this is a 65-watt super fast charger, and you can see also we get a cable, and this is a USB type C to USB A cable, and you can see also we get a SIM injection tool. So that's really good thing. Again, no headphones inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. Look at the Realme GT Master Edition. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom, we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side, we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Realme GT Master Edition. Inside the SIM tray, you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs. At the same time, it is a full-fledged SIM slot, but inside the SIM tray, it does not have any rubber, so the water resistant thing it is not really good on this phone. On the back, we have a triple cameras. We have a 64 megapixel main camera. Also, we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide. We also have a 2 megapixel macro. Again, on the back, we have a suitcase finish on the back. On the top, we have a noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side, we have a power button. This phone also has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So here is the display of the Realme GT Master Edition, and this phone has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. On the top, we also have a single front-facing camera inside this punch hole, which is a 32 megapixel. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Realme GT Master Edition, and you can see, and guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that, and this phone has a Super AMOLED display. Also we have 120Hz refresh rate. Yes, I can feel that. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go to the about phone, and you can see this phone is running on Android 11. That's really good thing. Also we have a Realme UI 2.0. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 778G 5G. This phone also has an extended RAM feature. We have 128GB of internal storage out of 110GB. It is available for you guys. We have 120Hz refresh rate option. On default, it is on auto. And guys, now let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. And the in-display fingerprint scanner, it is also really fast on this phone. And the haptics of the Realme GT Master Edition feels really good on this phone. Here is the notification area of this phone. This phone also has a NFC. We also have a GT mode as well. And yes, and the build quality of the Realme GT Master Edition feels very premium. Also, this phone feels very light in hand. Also, we have a 4300 mAh battery size, not a 5000 mAh battery size. That is why the phone it feels really slim and really light in hand. Now let's look at the camera. So here is the camera UI of the Realme GT Master Edition. Here is the normal. Here is your ultra wide. The haptics, again, it is really good on this phone. Now let's go to the video mode. In the video mode, we also have a AI highlight video, which is like a night mode. In low light, we also have a bokeh video mode, which give you a background blur. Like always, in the effects option, we also have a AI color portrait, which is a really highlight feature of Oppo phones. We also have a ultra steady mode, ultra steady max as well. But on the Realme GT Master Edition, we does not have any optical image stabilization. We also have a night mode. Back camera also has a portrait mode. We also have a 64 megapixel mode. We also have a dual view video mode. The back camera also has a slow motion, and you can see we also have a ultra macro mode which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. The quality in this lighting condition, it is not really good. Back camera also has a steady mode. We also have a time lapse. We also have a pro expert mode, and the Realme GT also has a street mode. You can also take raw photo as well. Now let's look at the front camera. On the front we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So here is the front camera looks like again, and the shutter speed, it is also really fast on this phone. Now let's see video recording size with the front camera. The front camera only shoot full HD at 30 fps, and the front camera also has a bokeh mode, and the front camera also has a ultra steady mode which gave you a very good video stabilization. Front camera also has a AI color portrait feature which is also available with the back camera. Back camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a full HD at 60 fps as well, and the front camera also has a night mode. The front camera also has a portrait mode, and the slow motion, it is not available with the front camera. And guys, so what I have to say regarding the Realme GT Master Edition, and some people is also saying in the comment section below, is that it feels very slow. I would say, in my opinion, this phone feels really fast because we have a very powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme GT Master Edition. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Realme GT Master, and the speed test is coming with some another smartphones. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.